Hello, this is DOIT Factory. I'm Lam. Today I will introduce the DT9090. Today I will introduce a new type of embroidery machine. I like it because I can DIY at home. Computerized machine design whatever pattern you like, insert them into the machine. It could be perfectly fitted. At the same time, automatic design program, simple and quick. You can see that 7-inch color touch screen. 7 big monitor makes the operation easier and better. The options of embroidery size is 100mm and 100mm. Also, you can choose 100mm and 230mm. When you download the software, you can log in the 3www.ilcon.com. The plastic fit is solid material, strong manufacturing materials that can withstand high strength. You know the seam speed is 315 RPM. If you want to adjust speed, the machine can make your satisfied and meet your needs.